Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. Whether you're getting older or just burnt out, mental fog can happen to anyone. Organic Brain Health Tea is here to clear out that fog and help increase focus in every sip. Let's explore the 6 ingredients that go into this blend. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, particularly when it comes to brain health, focus, and mental clarity. The natural compounds found in green tea, such as caffeine and L-theanine, work synergistically to enhance cognitive function. This combination helps improve attention, reaction time, and memory. Additionally, the antioxidants in green tea, especially EGCG, have neuroprotective properties that can safeguard the brain from age-related decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Ashwagandha offers remarkable benefits for brain health, focus, and mental clarity. By lowering cortisol levels, ashwagandha helps promote a calm and focused mind. Additionally, it supports the production of neurotransmitters, which play a crucial role in mood regulation and mental alertness. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can improve memory, reaction time, and overall cognitive abilities. Its neuroprotective properties also aid in protecting the brain from oxidative stress and age-related decline. Known for its cognitive-enhancing properties, Gotu Kola helps improve memory and concentration by increasing blood flow to the brain and supporting neuronal growth. Gotu Kola also has calming effects, reducing anxiety and stress, which can further enhance focus and mental clarity. Additionally, it supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for learning and memory processes. Ginkgo biloba is a powerful herb that enhances cognitive function by improving blood circulation to the brain, ensuring a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients essential for mental performance. Ginkgo is rich in antioxidants which protect brain cells from oxidative stress and age-related decline. Studies have shown that ginkgo can improve memory, attention, and processing speed. Additionally, ginkgo biloba helps reduce symptoms of anxiety and mental fatigue, further promoting mental clarity and focus. The invigorating aroma of peppermint can stimulate the mind, enhancing alertness and concentration. Additionally, the natural compounds in peppermint, such as menthol, have been found to reduce mental fatigue and increase energy levels. Peppermint's soothing properties also help alleviate stress and anxiety, creating a more conducive environment for mental focus. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect brain cells from damage and promote overall cognitive function. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons, enhancing memory and learning abilities. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and improve mood, which can further support mental clarity and focus. For this week's recipe, we are featuring our Brain Health Berryade, a refreshing twist on organic brain health tea, and how to cold brew this recipe in a large batch yielding about 12 cups to either share with friends or prep for yourself for later. To begin, steep 6 to 8 tablespoons of organic brain health tea leaves in 12 cups of water with 4 lemon slices for 6 to 12 hours in a refrigerator. When the tea is ready to serve, muddle some raspberries in the glass and add some honey. Add ice to the glass, fill with tea, and garnish. We hope you enjoy this sweet and refreshing recipe for organic brain health tea. Thank you for joining us for this week's edition of Tea of the Week. We hope you give this blend a try and share your experience with us in the comments. Until next time, happy steeping.